Then this afternoon, we get what I thought was a pretty darn good quarter. HP delivered a 6-cent earnings beat off an 88-cent basis, higher than expected sales, strong guidance for the current quarter. Can this criminally underrated stock maintain its momentum? Let's check in with Enrique Lores. He's the president and CEO of HP Inc., who's done such a remarkable job. Get a better sense of the quarter and his outlook going forward. Mr. Lores, welcome back to Mad Money.
Jim, great to see you, and thank you for having me here.
Of course. Now, Enrique, you did it again, and I want people to understand that you had a 12% overall net revenue growth, and a lot of this was your personal systems business, which grew 13%. Many thought this would end now that we got the hybrid guy. Everybody seemed to have bought their computer at home, got their printer at home. That's clearly not the case. These numbers seem almost secular in growth, not cyclical.
This is how we see it, and this is why we have been saying for a while that we expect the PC business to continue to be very strong for the foreseeable future. What is driving demand now is the commercial side. As offices are reopening, companies are investing to improve the experience of their employees, and this continues to drive very strong PC demand.
Now, let me understand it. How is it possible? I mean, consumer PCs net revenue were down, consumer printing net revenue down, but the commercial side's on fire. So what is this? What's happening? Are the big enterprises buying PCs for their workers?
Well, first of all, we see strong demand both across consumer and commercial. What you see, really, we are still operating in a supply-constrained environment, and we have been prioritizing commercial sales because margin is better for the company. What is happening is that companies are investing to improve their experience and their employees' productivity. And they are doing that on PCs, and we are really driving our sales in that direction.
Now, you know I'm an HP user, and I know that this is odd because I like the stock of Apple very much, and I like Apple. I have Apple at home. But I think the touchscreen, as you know, and I've told you many times, and the durability, all very exciting. How about just the attributes of the PC? That, I think, is driving a lot of sales.
What we are doing now is really design PCs to improve the experiences of our customers. We are designing to improve experiences where customers are using PCs to communicate. We are investing to improve the security of the PCs that has become very critical these days. And all these investments, all the innovation that we are bringing there is helping us to continue to drive and to continue to lead in the commercial PC business.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.